So anytime you're peeling these transitions for the ollie trimline transitions, can you see that there? So I got a joint in the tile here, can you see that?
Yep.
And a joint there, so therefore I need 1, 2, 3, 4 good ends of this peel that I'm pulling off. So I can't really take and get my knife under it and peel it like that, because there's not a really good chance I'm going to booger that end up. So I'm going to show you just a little quick tip right here, how you can get this peeled off and keep both of your ends usable. It's real simple. Just like to start just a couple inches away from the end of my tile or end of my piece that I'm doing, and I scored it on the back right there. So I want to bend it backwards. There we go. Now I still have my peel, and I peel it right off frontwards, and whenever I get close to the end, just take a little care work one side right off. There we go. Now that's a good usable end, and I can peel the rest of this off, and I will have also another usable end to use. I'll show you that in just a second. So as soon as I get down here, again, the main thing is if you just pull it straight off like this, you're probably going to mess it up. So when you get close to the end, you'll see I'm going to start at one corner and just kind of work it right down like that and go to the other corner. Now check it out. Nice. Even got my little bit of brown right there for the end of the ground line. Same thing right here. Nice clean edges. That's how you make joints in your ollie trimline transitions.